Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to enable login security notification on WhatsApp. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your WhatsApp. So I'm going to use my business WhatsApp right here. So I'm going to click on that. So after you open up your WhatsApp, next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on account. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on security notifications. So the next thing you need to do is to simply turn this on. It's as simple as that. So this simply means that each time anybody log into your WhatsApp without your permission, you're going to have a security notification, or if anybody wants to hack your WhatsApp account, you will be given a notification. From there, you can resist the access to unauthorized user to your WhatsApp account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about how best to secure your WhatsApp account. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.